Hello everyone. Today we are going to visit Percé. Percé city is located on the shores of the Gulf of St. Lawrence, near the tip of the Gaspé Peninsula. There are a few places to visit in Percé. First, we will walk on the broadwalk. Then we'll have a boat tour to the Bonaventure Island. And finally, we will visit a waterfalls, Chute De La Riviere portage. At the heart of the Percé village, you will find new infrastructures developed in 2018 to rehabilitate the Percé shoreline and protect it from coastal erosion and marine storms. These include a boardwalk, beach, municipal park, and a recreational tourism facilities. There's also an observation tower, children's games, swings, lounge chairs, shaded areas, and many other places. During boat trips, you will have the chance to admire the park's beauties such as Percé Rock, Bonaventure Island and its bird colony, as well as various marine mammals. As we went there during peak season, park wardens guided different observations and shared their knowledge with us. The Bonaventure Island has 4 beautiful hiking trails with a total length of 15 kilometers. All the trails will lead you to the spectacular colony of northern gannet. Though it was around 7 to 8 kilometers hiking trail, we wanted to take the hike because this northern gannet colony is the most accessible in the world. On our way to the bird sanctuary, we explored various natural environments such as meadows, fields, and coniferous forest. This seabird colony is home to over 200,000 nesting birds of 11 different species. This park is the largest migratory bird sanctuary in North America. Now we are at Chute De La Riviere portage. The water from Portage River flows into a magnificent natural pool with emerald green water. There is a 2-kilometer round hiking trail from the parking lot to the waterfalls. We did not take any drone shoot here because we noticed people were swimming and relaxing, so we respected their privacy and personal time. Finally, after a long, enjoyable day, we will now have our dinner with some fresh seafood. Please do subscribe to our channel and also hit the like button if you enjoyed this video. Thank you.